Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on restricted mode on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a U button available for us just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner and you land on this interface, whereas on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a settings or a gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right and you'll land on this interface, whereas we'll be required to tap on the general option available for us, which is at the top of the list over here just above accounts. Tap on general, guys, and over here scroll down on this interface and you can see the restricted mode option available for us, where it also says this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This settings only applies to this app on this device. And with that being read, guys, in order to turn on the restricted mode on YouTube, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the restricted mode, and that being done, guys, the restricted mode on YouTube will be turned on. And there, guys, this is how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.